Yeah, everybody. They just doing whatever they want up there. Yeah. Tesla doing it. Not Tesla. What's his name? Elon Musk. Elon Musk telling you about how this shit is dangerous, but he's a perpetuator. He's one of the ones that's building this shit. God damn. And this is that same white truck that's always here. I seen him pulling up. I don't know if he's going in this place or not, but being that, I had to deal with fucking stalkers, you just want to take note. There's a female in there. It's cold, shit. Oh shit. I wonder if that's the shit that they using that be, cause I know it's something, and a lot of people, a lot of us be talking about it. That trembling shit, and it feel like it's coming from downstairs, but it could be, some type of weapon. It really could be. Technology making you think it's coming from downstairs and it's really not. And it's like it just follows you, like where are you at, in whatever room you're in. What?